Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ingredients: 4-ounce bottles washable school glue, such as Elmer's, see note for variations. 1 to 2 drops. Liquid food coloring, optional. Glitter, optional. Baking soda, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Saline solution, i.e., contact lens solution, divided.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instructions: place glue in a plastic bowl. If you're adding food coloring, add it now until desired color is reached. Add saline solution and mix until combined. Stir in 1 cup of shaving cream. The more you add, the thicker it'll be. Stir until you can no longer stir and then knead with your hands. Enjoy!
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fluffy slime recipe. 1 bottle of Elmer's white glue *. Shaving cream, the foam kind, not the gel or cream kind. Borax solution. 1 cup warm water with 1 teaspoon borax, mixed until clear. Eye contact solution, optional but recommended. Food coloring, optional. Essential oils, optional.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mix half a cup of glue, half a cup of warm water, and a few drops of food coloring. Add shaving cream. The more you add, the thicker it gets. You'll want enough shaving cream to achieve a marshmallow cream consistency. Add a few pumps of lotion if you want a stretchy slime, optional, and mix.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.